Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to troubleshoot this MacBook Pro to find out what's going on. It's not turning on. And when I click on the battery tester, it doesn't show any battery level. You have a couple of the green LEDs right here. And when I plug in the power, it's just making a clicking noise. I'm going to put it closer so you guys could hear. And when I put the power supply in, it shows amber and then green. See, amber and then the green. And it sounds like a hard drive or something. It's like click, 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 click noise. And on the hard drive status, it shows like a stealth white color LED right here. Let me turn off the flash. I'm suspecting either the hard drive or the battery is going bad, or the battery is totally dead actually. So you see when I press it right now, when it's plugged in, it shows fully charged. Let me turn off the flash again. So it shows fully charged. It's still making a click, click, click noise. Sounds like the fan. Try to turn on the hard drive, try to kick in. Anyway, I need to remove the screws on the bottom here. Seems like I'm missing two of them, so. And also the Phillips screw head. Got a battery here. I think all the side screws are short stubby, and then two of them are long right here. Oh, I guess the outer screw right here. Huh? Oh, this one is long too. What? Maybe the one in the back. Yeah, this is longer, see? Let me plug in again. Maybe the fan was had to kick in. Just make sure you don't touch any of that board right now when it's plugged in. Oh, something just broke off. This thing was getting caught on the fan blade somewhere here. I need to remove the screw here, in order to disengage the battery. It's missing one here. And those are tri-point screw head. Stainless strip. Yeah, I think the screw is, the head is stripped. Got it. Gotta use a correct tool, I guess. So it's good thing. It's good thing that you're gonna have a magnetic mat to put all your screws, so it's not going anywhere. So plug in and see. Now the fan's not turning. Now it's turning. Gonna press power to reset it while it's unplugged. So I swapped the battery with one of my other MacBook Pro, and it is working. So I think the battery that I got was defective. It shows 98% earlier, now it shows 96% on the battery level. Let's go and then surf on the internet real quick. Alright, so yeah, it works fine. Yep, everything works. Some of the image is not loading. I'm not sure if the computer is too old. Needs updated Safari or Google Chrome. Let's go to download Google Chrome and see. Yeah, so unfortunately, this iOS is too old. It requires a newer iOS in order to update. That's why it's not showing those image. Anyway, that's how we try to solve the problem. So it is the battery issue with this computer. At first I thought it was a hard drive making a clicking noise. So it is the battery. We have those symptoms that show you amber and show green. And when you press the battery, it shows fully charged. But when you unplug it, it doesn't show any of the LED on the battery level. And with the white LED flashing over here, it's like keep on blinking style light. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.